Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2. This is a separate drawing. And he said he's going to engrave it, so it's going to need to be black. But I'm not going there because he's a little lost. So this image is only 3 inches wide. I'm going to set my nudge factor to 4. So make a duplicate of it, move it over. Take this one and left click, right click. Doesn't really matter what the point is, but I'm going to make it a hairline. Now before in the first one, I did a boundary tool, but it don't really have to in this case. So let's just take this, and I made it red for a reason because now I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to contour. I'm going to contour to the outside just 0.1 with rounded corners in black. Now the reason I'm not doing it as a color, maybe I'll show that in a second. So I'm going to hit apply. You see, it's not quite enough because it's going inside there. That's one reason I did the boundary before. So let's go 0.15. We want just to get the edges. And see, now you've got just the edges. Now, if that's still too much, now that we have the edges, and that's one reason I decided to go ahead and do the video, go ahead and contour, break the contour part. And now, and see, we got that interior part. So go up to object and break the curve apart and select that and delete it. Now take this one, I'm going to make it red so we can see it. And I'm going to contour the inside just like 0.05. And that's going to make a smaller contour. Then go up to object, break contour apart. You should be able to grab the inside one and move it over if that's about what you want on the percentage. Because this is quite a bit, you know, it's a little bit smaller, and you could actually go a little bit smaller still. Let's try that. So let's take this new contour, and I'm moving it out of the way just so you can see it. And I'm going to, let's contour again 0.05. Go up to object, break contour apart, grab the inside one, and look at that. Now, if this is his engravable area, and I would think you'd want it black. You could move the contour over there, make it red for your cut line. Now I would still do what I did in the first video in case there's some lines in here. This will engrave quite well. Let's just delete all this. Let's grab all this and put it up here. And now it's less than 3 inches. So we'll keep it at 4. We'll grab the outside line and move it up. I would engrave this, and then you can either delete it or move it out of the way, and then move this back. So this is going to be your raster. This is going to be your vector cutting. The reason I'm going to separate it, just in case there's some lines in here that we can't see, because that way it would start cutting everything. But this is what it's going to look like when you get done. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.